Do you ever feel like you're working hard but not getting ahead financially? Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck or struggling to pay off debt. Or perhaps you're just not sure how to make your money work for you. Well, you're not alone. But luckily, there's a book that can help you change your mindset and your financial future. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance classic that has helped millions of people achieve financial freedom. The book tells the story of Robert Kiyosaki's two fathers. His rich dad, who was his best friend's father and a successful entrepreneur, and his poor dad, who was his own father and a highly educated government employee. Kiyosaki grew up in Hawaii in the 1950s, and his rich dad taught him valuable lessons about money and investing from a young age. Unlike his poor dad, who believed that a good education and a stable job were the keys to financial success, Kiyosaki's rich dad believed in the power of entrepreneurship and investing in assets that generate passive income. Kiyosaki's rich dad encouraged him to start small businesses, invest in real estate, and learn as much as he could about money and investing. And Kiyosaki took those lessons to heart. By following his rich dad's advice, Kiyosaki became a successful entrepreneur and investor himself. He started several businesses, including a nylon and Velcro wallet company and a surfboard rental business, and he invested in real estate properties that generated passive income for him. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki uses the lessons he learned from both fathers to teach readers about the differences in their mindsets and how they affected their finances. It explains how the rich think differently than the poor and middle class, and how they use assets to generate passive income and build wealth. By reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you'll learn how to think like the rich and take control of your finances. You'll learn how to build assets that generate passive income, how to invest in real estate, and how to think strategically about money and investing. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a must-read for anyone looking to take control of their finances and build wealth. It's a powerful and inspiring book that has helped millions of people around the world transform their lives. So if you're ready to change your financial future, pick up a copy of Rich Dad, Poor Dad today. You won't regret it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to invest in yourself and your financial education.